Each allocation of your Selene Wine Club has 3 curated bottles from our winemaker. If you would like to add additional bottles to your allocation, you can easily do so by following these simple steps. Note that your shipping cost will remain the same with up to a total of 11 bottles. If you choose 12 bottles, you'll receive an additional bonus of a deeper discount on shipping. Go to atwatervineyards.com and log into your account. Once logged in, you'll see your personal information. You can update this if needed. To the left, you'll see a tan box with items here. On a mobile device, these items will be all the way at the bottom of your screen. Choose the third option, which is Club List. Your current clubs will show. Click Edit Club. Scroll past the membership information, and you'll see your choices here. The first 3 bottles that you see are the selections chosen by the winemaker. You'll always see the wine, the original price, and then the price that you'll pay with your wine club discount. At the top, you'll see your estimated subtotal, your savings, and that 3 bottles are selected. If you would like to add any more bottles to your order, you can always do so. The winemaker selections you cannot zero out because you will receive 1 bottle of each, but you can always add more bottles, or you can choose from the other selections on the screen. I think I'm going to add 2 Chardonnay and 3 Pinot Noir, which would be a total of 8 bottles with those 3 winemakers selections. If I could look back at the top, indeed I do have 8 bottles, my new estimated subtotal, and my new savings amount. Scroll back down, you'll see your billing information, your credit card payment information. If you need to update your card, you can do that here. I am currently picking up at Atwater Vineyards, but if I wanted to see my shipping options, I can go to Shipping. This access point location for UPS is very convenient if you cannot be home to sign for your package. We try to make it very easy by showing you the local businesses in your area that you can ship to. Once the wine is delivered to one of those locations, you would have 7 days to pick up your wine. I am going to pick up at the winery. I'm going to hit submit because everything is correct. I'm going to get club success on the screen. I'm also going to get a second confirmation in my email. It says club edit confirmation. It shows that I am picking up at the winery, the 3 winemaker selections, and that I chose to add 2 bottles of Chardonnay and 3 Pinot Noir. Remember that there's no total here because nothing is charged on your credit card until the processing date.